Alright, we got an unboxing, and must say I'm quite excited for these. I haven't been buying a lot of silver lately. Actually starting a new job soon, but was buying a lot last year and up till then, so kind of been cooling it off. But there was a new release from Provident and also JM, all part of the A-Mark family. And I'm sure you know what this is from the title, but yeah, they had a new release in the Zombucks series, and I don't know, it just felt nostalgic, and I wanted to get some. I really only had a lot of the copper ones from previous run or iterations, so wanted to get some of these on the ground floor, if you will. But yeah, let's just take a look. Quick unboxing here. I don't know. Always a pain in the butt trying to get these things open. Get that out of the way. Alright. Let's take a look. Excuse the furnace that just kicked on. Getting a little bit of cooler weather, despite the fact that it's close to May. Focus. Right? So that's pretty cool. 75. I think a lot of these face values are crazy. People complain, like the face values on a Maple Leaf are $5 versus the face value on a American Eagle is $1, and you see some other crazy face values. I mean, to me, if it's the size of a silver dollar, it's worth $1. Let's stop playing make-believe and putting all these fake fiat values. Oh, it should be worth $50 face. That silver coin should be worth $1,000 face. Like, come on. Let's not go back into some astronomical fiat figures over things. This is a silver dollar-sized coin, a crown. It's a crown or a dollar. It's not 75 something. Enough of that rant. Yeah, looks pretty cool, I guess. Just trying to look at it behind the camera in front. It's relatively polished finish. Should have brought my gloves over here, but I guess we can take it out. Yeah, relatively polished, but nicely done. Pandamonium. Whoo, yeah, I like it. And really, I like this reverse, I guess. Pretty cool. One thing I noticed, oh, here's a copper one. I say the old ones used to have a little Provident symbol there. Can see that? Like I said, JM bought Provident, and then A-Mark bought JM, and A-Mark also owns Silvertown, so that they have the whole tree, the whole monopoly going, from the mines basically to the refiners, the mints, the retailers, distributors, like the wholesalers. I don't think they said who was minting these, but I think it's probably Silvertown, because they also brought back that Egyptian, well, I don't know if they brought it back. Yeah, I guess they did, because it used to be Elemental, I think. But now Silvertown's making those. I wouldn't be surprised if Silvertown was making these. I don't know for a fact, though. So, just throwing it out there. But yeah, these are kind of cool. Makes you wonder what's next. If it's going to be like a Krugerrand, or... yeah, I don't even know what else it could be after that. And then I just threw in like a half ounce to get the free shipping. But leave a comment. Do you guys like this series? What do you think about it? What might be next? There's really not a lot. I guess you could have, oh, the Britannia. Yeah, they'll definitely have a some kind of dead Britannia. I was thinking on the Philharmonics, like there's not a lot you could do with that, right? A dead instrument. What other ones do they have? Oh, yeah, I guess like kookaburras. If you got Australia, maybe you could have like a dead, the kangaroo. Yeah, some kind of dead kangaroo. You could put, the King Charles. Would they go that far? I mean, he's still alive. A dead King Charles on him. Yeah, just it's pretty neat. Relatively low premium. I mean, the premiums are crazy in general, but these are in line basically with all the other silver rounds. I think it was a little over $31. But yeah, pretty cool. One last look. Yeah, I noticed that. I put a little fingerprint on it. Or someone did. Let's see if we can wipe that off. I wonder if these have a coin turn. I think they do. Yeah, it's got a coin turn. Alright, we'll cut it there. Hope everybody has a great day.